Don't make this fatal mistake with your vibrato. I'm about to play the way I don't want you to play. Now, what's wrong with that? I mean, it was basically in tune. Always could be better. Basically good phrasing. What's wrong with that? See if you can spot it. This time, watch my hand. I'm going to turn the sound off and just watch what my hands are doing. Now watch carefully. It's obviously not the bow. That's a big hint. Take a look. Do you see anything? Sometimes it's easier to notice when you actually don't have the sound on. Did you see it? That's right. I'm making a mistake a lot of students make and some professionals make as well. I've judged a lot of competitions. I see a lot of students make this mistake. It'll always put them behind another person. If you want to sound good right away, make sure you have a constant vibrato. Now, sometimes you can let vibrato bloom out of no vibrato. I'll give you an example in this one, but basically have a constant vibrato. Let me show you. Right there, when I shift to that C, that's a place you could do it with no vibrato in it initially. Keep the vibrato going, and I promise immediately you'll sound like you've practiced a year.